So getting ready to do the garden this year, and instead of the weed control stuff, we did a little bit different stuff. This is called Vevor, and it's a 6-foot by 300-foot roll, and it was like $50. And this stuff is way better than the other basic stuff you get from like Lowe's or Home Depot, and I can already tell it's going to last longer. It's going to be easier to plant in, and I'm going to show you how to do that here in a bit. But yeah, I really like this stuff. So this is what the garden's going to look like this year, and let's get to planting. All right, so the cool thing about this material is if you're doing this at home, it's really easy to plant, make holes, and you still have your weed control. And what I'm using is a small little propane torch. You use these for cooking, creme brulee, all that stuff. I got this for art stuff, Dutch pours and things like that. But here's what we're going to use it for. So what you'll notice with this little butane torch, if the material is wet, this doesn't do too good. So if you're going to use something like this, make sure you do it dry, otherwise it'll take forever. I got this little puppy. It's kind of like a weed torch, a lot of people use it for. And we'll just light it and start going down the row and making some of these holes. So I'll show you how quick this will work. So that's how we're going to do our garden this year, and good luck in gardening.